Hey everyone, it's Lucy from Kbeautyhobbit.com. Today I have another Stylevana unboxing for you. This is their July box that they sent me, and they also gave me a discount code to share with you. That code is INF, the number 10, and then KBH. I'll put the link to everything in here. I don't remember what's supposed to be in here anymore. I'll put links to everything in here, plus all the Stylevana sites, because they have different international ones, and the code in the description box. How nicely they package everything. Ooh. At first glance, I think everything is brand new to me. Do I want to read this out loud on YouTube? I'm not going to. What is this milky dress? Oh. Okay. It's a feminine care product. Let's see. This goes right in the top 5 most interesting PR things I've gotten. Okay, stay tuned for an actual review, but if you've tried this, let me know in the comments, because I want to know what your experience was like. This is a glass bottle, which I like. Pardon my very, very dry nails. Nice. All right. Let's see. I did get a sheet mask one time. It was an after hair removal sheet mask for the nether regions. And of course I tried it. You should have seen my husband's face when he came out of the shower and saw me on the couch masking. Yeah. Dynasty cream. Very nice. I've been meaning to try this. It seems like most people online like it, and I have never had anything meaningful to contribute to the discussion about it because I haven't tried it. It's nice and heavy. I wonder if it's glass. Oh wow, okay, it's packaged very carefully. Let's see, it is glass, yep. That's beautiful. Let's open it. It doesn't smell like anything, which is not a bad thing for me. I'm not a huge scented person. I don't mind fragrance. Sometimes it's actually really nice. It contributes to the experience. But then I think of all the people who are allergic to fragrance, and it's kind of nice to have something that they can use. It came with this little spatula that I dropped on the floor, of course. Ionic Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Vitalizing Toner. Or is it Ionic? How do you pronounce it? Let me know. Hyaluronic acid and things I can't pronounce. I wonder if it's some kind of vitamin C, maybe. I'll have to read up about it. So many different plant extracts these days. I cannot keep up. But I love toners. Even before I had a blog, those are the type of products that I would always tend to overbuy. Granted, I do go through them fairly well as well, so they don't just sit there and like expire on the shelf or anything. So that's always exciting. Toners are very exciting. Thank you, Stylevana, for this. I've been meaning to try this. This isn't real mugwort clay mask. I was actually going to buy this with my next haul. I'm so glad that you sent it to me, because I've been loving mugwort. Of course, like, my love affair with mugwort started with I'm From Mugwort products. And then this brand called Axis Y released their mugwort mask, which is a different one than the I'm From Mugwort mask. The Axis Y one is a clay-based kind of, and then the I'm From is like a gel-based. And this one is another clay mask. So I am really curious to try this because people really seem to love it. I don't think I've ever seen anybody bash on this online, so that's really, really exciting for me, because Not that we're all the same or anything, but usually if you see a lot of really positive reviews, then that's usually a good indicator that the product is actually good. And then we have this AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Travel Kit. I have such mixed feelings about the Sun By Me Miracle Toner. I have that one. I have a full size of it. I've done a review of it on the blog. I'll put a link in the description. But it's not a bad product, but they market it as this hypoallergenic, like for all skin, or I don't know if they actually say hypoallergenic, but they say for sensitive skin right there. And then I don't know about these two products because they're completely new to me, but the toner, it has so many plant extracts, including peppermint. Like, it has things in it that could be potentially irritating. Again, it's not a bad product, but it's one of those really polarizing ones that when people talk about it in my group, when people talk about it in Korean Beauty Fanatics, which is my group, which just recently hit 55,000 members, which is why my brain is total mush because I'm keeping up with all the activity in it. Anyway, this is one of the products that people either love or hate. Like, there's so many people that say it fixed their skin, it's amazing, and then there are people who say that ruined their skin, gave them acne. I do fine with it, but I started really slow. I didn't start with 30 days, and I don't recommend doing 30 days of anything that has exfoliating ingredients, like doing 30 days of daily use right away. Start slow, and I do well with like a couple days a week, and that's fine with me. But I'm excited to try these two. I don't know that all three of them should be used at the same time, to be honest. I mean, honestly, it you know, I think it's one of those that slow and steady is probably good, like less is more type of thing. Start slow, and I think these might be more of like separate routine products for me personally. Maybe for somebody with super resilient or super oily skin, maybe that's not the case. That is it for the unboxing today. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what I should try first, or if you tried any of these. And of course, as you're shopping on Stylevana this summer, don't forget to use my code INF10 KBH. I will see you in my next video. Until then, you can find me on Instagram at Kbeautyhobbit, on my blog Kbeautyhobbit.com, in the group Korean Beauty Fanatics, on TikTok Kbeautyhobbit, although I don't have a ton on there. I'm mostly there just to scroll through other people's videos. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.